Vamos al bosque. Bocha. Bocha.
What's in that box? What's hiding in here? Pictures from Bedford taken half a blue moon ago. My, we were young then, all mixtapes and alco pops, bum bags, shell suits and meatloaf CDs. Did I really dress like that and dance to that tune? Then stumble home drunk by the light of the moon? I guess times they change and the change times they guess. Nonsense, it still has a welcoming ring. My Weezer CDs, well, they hardly get played. My obsession with Arnie DeFranco has ended. You might ask, is anything certain these days? I would probably tell you that I love Leonard Cohen. A snail carries with him some slime in a shell. We love Leonard Cohen. We love Leonard Cohen.